Good medical morning. I'm your Prince of Popping Watson here with more Blackhead fun. Make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell for the best pops on the net. First, we have a fan submission of a blackhead removal. Also, stick around and see what helped Melissa lose weight and get in the best shape of her life. Now, let's look at a few other favorites from the subreddit Popping. Here's an interesting medical image. This 20-year-old female came into the doctor with these pustules. The doctor feels it may be staph. What do you think? Are you ready to hear from Melissa? Let's hear from her.
Hey guys, my name is Melissa and I just wanted to give you a review on Energy. Just want to say I use it as my pre-workout and I'm loving my results. I don't crash like I normally do and I have plenty of energy towards the end of the day. I feel amazing and I've lost 15 pounds so far.
Act now and start burning fat immediately. Coupled with diet and exercise, Thynergy is the fastest, best way to meet your weight loss goals.